In this video, I'm going to demonstrate how to work with the case of your text in Microsoft Word. I have this example where I have part of the paragraph typed in uppercase and want to change it to the regular sentence case. What do we mean by sentence case? We might want this text to start with a capital letter. In this case, this is where the sentence starts with a capital letter N, but the rest is lowercase. In the T there has to be capital letter because that's after a dot. That means it's another sentence. So that is easy. We don't need to delete and retype. We simply go to where it says font and then we click there on case and then we change to sentence case. You see it has been changed to the rest of the paragraph, the same format, capital letter N, capital letter T. I might want to add capitalization to an entire sentence. Say the start here, I want to capitalize this entire part. So I highlight it by left clicking my mouse and then dragging it, and then I've highlighted that. Then I go back to case and then I click on uppercase. As you can see, now we have the uppercase there. So just by highlighting what we want to deal with, we can actually change the case. Say, for example, we want to make something into lowercase, the entire part. We can actually change this part to lowercase where there is no capital letter. So if I just click that, you see it's been changed to lowercase. If I want to capitalize each word in this sentence, it's very easy. I just go back there and then click capitalize. How to start farming. I've capitalized every word that is within that part. This case function is very powerful, especially when you've made a mistake or you have a large amount of information that you want to format in a certain way. You don't need to delete paragraphs and all that. You simply need to make use of this case function.